Today we talk about how can you change your username on your WordPress app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. Just click on your name here on account and settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on account settings here. You come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on username. So then here can you so add your username here, you click on save, then it's going to change with you. That's all you have to do. So like you see, I have this username here. When you add your new username, then you click on save, then it's going to change with you here automatically. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.